really hone your skills, your speaking skills, and your communication skills, so that people really in 30 seconds understand what you do. I didn't like the fact that a person who has 20 years to 30 years of experience, like Igor Seal, asks you what you're doing. Because that means that for pretty high level venture capitalists like him to ask you what you're doing, and he didn't get it after 3.5 minutes instead of 2 minutes that you have not really sharpened your communication skills. Beyond that, I think that it is very ambitious to say, well, we're going to change the way the web works. Okay, it may be true, but if you have to do this, you have to substantiate it by saying 1, 2, or 3, here's the value, here's the money, and be more structured. I'm surprised that the French guy was not as structured, because in general, you learn that at school in France. To say 1, 2, 3, and here's the value here are the problems, here's the result, and here's what we can achieve. So I think that as a CEO, you need to get better training in being structured, and I think that your board has a problem. Thank you very much.